Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the biggest planet of the solar system. It is the first of the gaseous planets made up mainly of hydrogen and helium. It is a very bright object in the sky and appears as a very colorful object when seen through a telescope. Jupiter has some rings around it, but these are extremely thin. It has a very deep atmosphere. The atmosphere of Jupiter consists of hydrogen, helium, methane and ammonia. It is a very cold planet, its surface temperatures being minus 150 degrees Celsius. The mass of Jupiter is more than 3,000 times the mass of the Earth. Because of its extremely large mass, Jupiter exerts a very strong gravitational pull on the other objects which pass it by. For example, a comet passing close to Jupiter experiences its very strong gravitational pull and gets deflected from its original path.